Imagine waking up one day and realizing that your future self has complete financial freedom. No more stressing about bills, no more wondering if you'll ever have enough to retire. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, today, we're pulling back the curtain and revealing the 5 simple steps to grow your wealth, starting today. But before we dive in, ask yourself, what if you don't take action today? What will your financial situation look like 5, 10 years from now? You might already feel that knot of anxiety. But here's the thing, it doesn't have to be that way. Stay with me until the end because what you learn in the next 10 minutes could completely change the trajectory of your. Step 1. Start by setting clear goals. Step 1 may seem simple, but without it, the rest doesn't matter. Setting clear financial goals. Where do you want to be in 5 years? 10 years? Setting clear, achievable goals gives you direction. Without them, you're like a ship lost at sea, drifting wherever the wind takes you. But here's the fear factor, without clear goals, time will slip away, and you'll wake up one day wondering, where did my money go? Take control today, right now, and decide, what does financial success look like for you? But here's where it gets real, how do you actually reach those goals? That's where step 2 comes in, and you won't believe how simple it can be. Step 2, automate your savings. Now that you've set your goals, the next step is automation. Why automation? Because the truth is, we're all human, we forget, we get distracted, life happens. But the beauty of automating your savings is that it removes the temptation to spend. It's like planting seeds that will grow into a massive financial forest. Think of it this way, with each paycheck, you're paying yourself first. But what happens if you don't automate? Your financial dreams could slip through your fingers. And here's the scary part, you may not even notice it until it's too late. But saving is just one piece of the puzzle. What about growing that money? That's where step 3 will open your eyes. Step 3. Invest consistently, even in small amounts. Now we're diving into the real game changer, investing. This is how wealth is built. And here's the secret, you don't need to be a millionaire to invest. Even small, consistent amounts can grow into significant wealth over time. Think about this, if you started investing just $100 a month in your 20s, by the time you reach your 40s, you could have over $100,000. The magic of compound interest is your best friend here, but the excitement doesn't stop there. It only takes a small spark to ignite massive growth. But here's the fear, if you keep waiting, if you keep saying I'll invest later, time will become your enemy, not your ally. The sooner you start, the bigger your potential. But how do you make sure you're investing wisely? That brings us to step 4, and this is where most people go wrong. Step 4. Diversify and protect your wealth. We're almost there. Step 4 is critical to your financial security. Diversify your investments. Ever heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, when it comes to your money, it couldn't be more true. The stock market might be booming now, but what if it crashes tomorrow? Without diversification, all your hard-earned wealth could disappear overnight. That's why spreading your money across different assets, stocks, bonds, real estate, protects you from risk. The fear here? Most people don't think about protecting their wealth until it's too late. Don't let that be you. But we're not done yet. There's one final step that ties it all together, and this one can change everything for your financial future. Step 5. Continuous learning and adapting. The final step may surprise you. It's not about making more money or even saving more. It's about continuing to learn and adapt. The world of finance is always changing, new investment opportunities, new risks, and new strategies emerge constantly. Here's the exciting part, those who keep learning, who stay informed, are the ones who consistently grow their wealth. Imagine you had the knowledge today that the wealthiest people in the world have. What would you do differently? But here's the urgency, if you stop learning, if you think you've figured it all out, you risk falling behind. The financial world waits for no one. So, what's your next move? You now know the 5 simple steps that can change your financial future, starting today. Set your goals, automate your savings, invest consistently, diversify, and never stop learning. These steps aren't just ideas, they're the keys to unlocking the wealth and freedom you've always wanted. But remember, every day you wait is a day lost. Imagine where you could be 5 years from now if you take action today. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. And if you're wondering what the next level of wealth building looks like, stay tuned, because in our next video, we'll reveal strategies that the wealthy don't want you to know. Hit subscribe, and make sure you don't miss it. Your financial freedom is waiting.